It's a 2015 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 Heavy Duty. Force and power, packaged into one full-size pickup truck. Whatever you need to haul around, this Silverado offers the space for it. The triple door seals and aerodynamic exterior provide a quiet ride. It features a V8 engine, Allison's 6-speed automatic transmission, hill start assist, a tire pressure monitor, multiple airbags, and stability and traction control.
The heavy-duty trailering equipment is a must-have to tackle any project. Chevrolet's MyLink system allows you to control your music, hands-free calling, and so much more with just the sound of your voice. StabiliTrak helps you stay in control.
This Silverado gives a new meaning to heavy duty. You'll know why when you come in for a test drive.
Visit us anytime at craneteam.com.
Go, go.